Good morning, class. So, two paragraph I have taught you, and what idea you have got? Tell me firstly. We will discuss on the road not taken. It means the poet was standing on the yellow wood. On a spot, he find the diversion of the road, two directions, and which way he has to go, which way he has chosen. Only about this poem he has explained, and choice is done by him. The repentation, the desire, the wishes, all the things of the poet has explained in this poem. Actually, it's a very messaging poem. It gives the message when we have to be choiceable, do it very considerably and consistently, because your choice, your life depends on your choice. So, first of all, in the next two para, he again will explain about the morning scene and the evening scene and the dusk scene. He will explain all, how the leaves is going to see, how the leaves is going to be feel like that trodden black it is. Okay, sometimes he feel that no changes on the both way, there is not so much changes, actually looking like same. So he was getting confused, and in the last line he will explain what choice I have made. I will repent sometimes because why I have not chosen that road what I have left before. Understood? So इसमें ये बताएगा कि जब मैंने चुन लिया, जब कभी चुन लेता है तो लास्ट में वो एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि वो रोड, जैसे हम इन आवर लाइफ ऑल्सो दिस इंसिडेंट इज गोइंग टू बी हैपन, when we choose something, after that we will repent also, we will repent also, why we have not done this, why we have done so this thing happens to the poet also. He is going to be repenting on his decision कि क्या वो रास्ता जो मैंने छोड़ दिया वो अच्छा था या ये जो मैंने चुन लिया है. Understood? तो the whole concept is that each and every time when you are going for any decision, just do it with the discussion with your parents, with your comments, with your closest person. But any choice, any decision you have to take with your inner conscious also. Okay, so let's start the parawise. I will explain. Just open your book. Okay, so let's start with the parawise. Two para already explained. Third paragraph, now I told you. He is explaining about, and both that morning equally lay in leaves no stiff had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should never come back. Now in this passage he is explaining about his doubt. Actually he will return or not, he can move on that road or not, what he had left. These things he is explaining, and he is saying that, and both that morning on about that road, both road he is explaining that कि वो सुबह दो के दोनों जो सड़क थी, जो रोड्स थी, आर लुक्ड इक्वली ले सेम. ले मीन्स होता है ले डाउन, स्टेप डाउन. इन लीव्स नो स्टेप, हियर इट इज इन लीव्स नो स्टेप हैड ट्रोडन ब्लैक. इट मीन्स जो वहाँ पत्तियाँ थीं वो पीले रंग की थीं, कोई भी काले या ट्रोडन ब्लैक मीन्स होता है दब जाना, काला हो जाना, लाइक नॉट लाइक दैट. इट मीन्स नॉट वैनिस्ड एनी लीव्स, ओनली इट लुक्स लाइक सेम बोथ रोड्स. ओ अरे, आई केप्ट द फर्स्ट, जो मैंने पहला रास्ता छोड़ दिया है, हो सकता है मैं फिर उस पर ऑन सम टाइम अगेन आई विल कम बैक एंड ट्रेवल ऑन दैट. मैं फिर से आऊँगा और उस पर यात्रा करूँगा. येट नोइंग, ये जानते हुए भी, लेकिन यह भी जानता है वो, हाउ वे लीड्स ऑन टू वे, कि ये जो सड़क है, एक सड़क से दूसरी सड़क निकल जाती है. लीड्स ऑन टू वे, दिस वन इज द फ्रेज व्हाट वी हैव सॉल्व, लीड्स ऑन टू वे, यानी ये सड़क जाके दूसरे पे ही निकल जाती है, मिलती होगी. आई डाउटेड, यानी द पोएट वॉज डाउटेड अबाउट हिज डिसीजन दैट ही विल रिटर्न और नॉट, आई शुड एवर कम बैक, यानी वो फिर वापस आएगा या नहीं. ओनली इन दैट कॉन्सेप्ट ही इज गेटिंग टोटली कन्फ्यूज. ओके, now come to the last paragraph. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Sigh means, first of all, I will show you the meaning with a sigh. Just hold on. With a sigh, actually it is given. Oh yes, not given, but you should know the meaning. With sigh, note down. With sigh means with a deep relief. With a deep relief. So I shall be telling this with a sigh. And तो poet is again explaining कि इस बात को जो है ना, मैं I will tell with a sigh, deep relaxation. After that I will explain somewhere ages and ages hence. Ages and ages means it's a phrase again. Ages and ages शताब्दियों बाद. Hence यहाँ जब मैं आऊँगा, जब मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँगा, two roads diverge in a wood, दो रास्ते जो कि जंगल में जाके अलग हो गए थे, where he was standing actually, and I took the one less traveled by, and the poet has taken the less one traveled by his own decision, and that has made all the difference. And that has made all the difference means, this one is a phrase, made all the difference, यानी actual change the life, actually change the means of life, actually change the mode of life. तो the poet is explaining here कि जो मैंने उस सड़क पर चुन लिया था चलने को, उससे मेरे फ्यूचर में डिफरेंस आ गया, यानी that can make or ruin my future, my life also. So again he is telling, any time, each time when you are going for desirable, choiceable, choose anything very sincerely. Okay, so I would like to again tell you the summary of this. Okay, several times it happens in our life. Actually the poet wants to explain the life incident, what is going to happen in our life also. It relates to our personal life. Sometimes, several times it is very difficult to make a choice between two things, particularly when each has its merits and risk. जब सब दोनों लगते हैं कि दोनों के बराबर खतरे हैं, बराबर मेरिट्स हैं, तो हम बहुत परेशानियां फील करते हैं कि हाउ टू चूज़. बट वन हैज़ टू मेक ए चॉइस. आई एम फेस्ड विद सच अ प्रॉब्लम एंड आई विल बे द एडवांटेज. और जब आप चुनते हैं तो उसके एडवांटेज एंड डिसएडवांटेज यू हैव टू फेस. ओनली यू आर द फुल्ली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट डिसीजन. सो दिस थिंग द पोएट हैज़ एक्सप्लेन्ड एक्चुअली इन दिस पोएम. ओके, एंड a summary of this poem should be what? Obviously what I explained in the video. The poet was walking through a yellow forest. He came to a spot where the road diverged into the two different directions. He stood and looked at the two roads. Both are looking equally attractive and same. It was difficult to choose. It was difficult to decide which road to take. One of the road was more grassy and one of the less grassy. He thought he would walk the other road some other day, but it was impossible even to return that road. Okay, now he thinks that road was wastefully. He wonders that he would have happened if he had taken that road. So this is the summary, this is the explanation of the full poem. I hope you understood. Okay, so first of all, read the full poem silently and underline the phrase again, discuss the meaning to yourself, to your comments also, and then after ready for the classwork. Okay.